My name is Trevor. I'm a director in the digital marketing space, and I give Visual Website Optimizer a 4 out of 5 rating. Prior to using Visual Website Optimizer, we used Adobe Target, Optimizely, and Google Optimize. One of the many reasons that we switched to VWO is cost. In terms of cost to benefits, VWO outweighs the competition quite handily. It offers a lot of the same features as the other tools while also providing a lower entry cost and a good enough user interface to achieve the results that you need. The primary reason we chose VWO is because of cost. If you compare VWO to an Optimizely or Adobe Target, it is significantly less expensive, especially when you're using multiple sub-accounts or multiple websites within the tool. And in addition to that, VWO offers a really good visual editor experience in addition to a code field where you can input blocks of code for A/B testing. I'd argue that their visual experience is actually better than Adobe Target, even though Adobe Target is considered the more enterprise tool in the market. Onboarding VWO in our business was incredibly easy. Out the gate, it's not hard to sign up for VWO and start testing right away. And when you consider the timeline it takes to get VWO set up on a client site, it's even better. To get VWO installed on a client site, there's a script of about 10 to 20 lines of JavaScript that gets inserted into the head tag on a client site. And for e-commerce websites, there's a secondary piece that gets inserted onto the order confirmation page to track revenue. On websites like Shopify, which are heavily templated, that can take under half an hour once you've gotten the hang of it. That's incredibly fast for onboarding and setting up a CRO testing tool, and everything else can be done at the campaign level. So that's a huge benefit to get things started quickly and efficiently so you spend less time on setup and more time on the activities that matter. If you're considering VWO, some of the things that I would think about is what does your CRO program look like and what do you want it to look like? And what are the systems that your business currently uses? If you're currently using Adobe Analytics or Omniture, then using Adobe Target is actually quite advantageous because it plugs in much easier than VWO would plug into that software. However, if you're using Google Analytics and getting campaign data from the testing platform itself is not a problem, VWO is a slam dunk. The pricing's great, the features are great, so you really have to just consider where are you at and where do you want to be. If you want to get testing started faster and having the plethora of integrations isn't incredibly important to you, VWO is perfect. If having Adobe Analytics plugged into your testing platform is really important, Adobe Target's a better bet. If you're looking to scale the volume of users within your testing account and have different integrations to different calling systems, I'd argue Convert.com is actually a little bit easier. So it really depends. For the small to mid-sized business with a more immature CRO side of the business, VWO is the perfect choice and something that I would highly consider at all stages.